Bonsai is not a plant. It is a practice, and like every practice, it has levels, from the person who has just bought their first tree to the craftsman who has been shaping the same specimen for 30 years. This video covers all 7. Wherever you are right now, you will recognize yourself, and you will see exactly what separates you from the next level. Bonsai originated in China over 1,000 years ago as penjing, the art of cultivating miniature landscapes. The Japanese refined and formalized it into the practice now recognized worldwide. The word bonsai means literally planted in a tray. The tree in the pot is not a naturally small species. It is a full-sized tree species whose growth is controlled through pruning, wiring, and restricted root space. A bonsai juniper is genetically identical to a full-grown garden juniper. The difference is entirely in the hands that have shaped it. This is the first thing every beginner misunderstands, that bonsai trees are a special variety. They are not. They are ordinary trees shaped by time and technique, which means the barrier to entry is lower than almost everyone assumes. If this channel is new to you, subscribe. Level 1. The Curious Beginner. Level 1 begins with a tree on a shelf. Most people enter bonsai the same way. They see a small tree in a garden center or supermarket, a juniper, a ficus, a Chinese elm, and feel an immediate pull toward it. Something about the compressed form, the suggestion of age in a small container, is compelling in a way they cannot fully explain. They buy it. The level 1 grower has enthusiasm and almost no information. They water it when they remember, usually too often, or not often enough. They place it wherever looks aesthetically pleasing, usually indoors, away from natural light, which is fatal for most outdoor bonsai species. They do not yet know the difference between indoor and outdoor species, between tropical and temperate trees, between a pre-trained bonsai and a collected specimen. The most common level 1 experience: the tree dies within 6 months, not from bad intentions, from misplaced care, overwatering, wrong light, wrong location, the wrong tree for the wrong environment. What separates level 1 from level 2 is not skill, it is information. The level 1 grower does not yet know what their tree actually is, what it needs, or why it is dying. They are responding to the aesthetic without understanding the living system underneath it. Level 2. The student. Level 2 begins after the first tree dies, or sometimes before it, when the grower decides they want to understand, rather than just react. The shift from level 1 to level 2 is the shift from aesthetic appreciation to deliberate learning. The level 2 grower identifies their species. They learn that outdoor species, junipers, maples, elms, pines, need to be kept outdoors year-round and require a dormancy period in winter that indoor conditions deny them. They learn that indoor species, ficus, jade, carmona, need consistent warmth and light that a northern windowsill rarely provides adequately. They begin to understand why the first tree died. They learn the basics of watering, not on a schedule but by lifting the pot and feeling its weight, or by pressing a finger into the bonsai-specific soil that allows water to drain rapidly rather than sitting around roots. They learn that bonsai soil is not garden soil or potting mix. It is almost entirely inorganic, designed to drain within seconds while retaining just enough moisture for root uptake. The level 2 grower repots their tree correctly for the first time. They use the right soil. They place it in the right location. The tree survives its first winter. That survival feels like an achievement, and it is. What they have not yet done is shape the tree. They are keeping it alive. They are not yet making it into anything. Level 3. The pruner. Level 3 begins with the first cut. This is the level where most bonsai growers stay for years, and where the practice begins to reveal its real depth. The level 3 grower has a healthy tree and has started to ask the question that defines bonsai: what should this tree become? They learn the basics of pruning, structural pruning to establish the primary branch architecture, maintenance pruning to keep the silhouette compact, and the principle of removing branches that cross, grow downward, or break the visual balance of the design. They learn to study a tree from every angle before making any cut, because every cut is permanent and every removed branch takes years to replace. They make their first mistakes, removing a branch they later wish they had kept, cutting too aggressively and leaving the tree sparse, pruning at the wrong time of year and triggering stress at the moment the tree is most vulnerable. These mistakes are essential. They build the eye that eventually knows before the cut is made what the result will be. The Level 3 grower also encounters wiring for the first time, the technique of wrapping branches in aluminium or copper wire to hold them in a new position while they set. They learn that wire left on too long bites into the bark and leaves permanent scars. They leave wire on too long. At Level 3, the grower is no longer passive. They are in dialogue with the tree, but the design is still dictated by the tree's current shape rather than by a vision for what it could become. Level 4. The designer. Level 4 is where bonsai stops being horticulture and starts being art. The Level 4 grower no longer asks what the tree needs. They ask what the tree could express. They have developed an eye for the nebari, the surface roots spread at the base of the tree, and understand that a strong, visible nebari radiating outward from the trunk is one of the primary indicators of quality in a bonsai. They choose the front of the tree, the angle from which the trunk movement, branch structure, and nebari are most compelling, and begin designing toward that viewpoint. They begin to understand the classical styles: formal upright, informal upright, slanting, cascade, semi-cascade, forest planting. Not as rules to follow, but as descriptions of natural growth patterns that the art attempts to distill. They understand that the greatest bonsai do not look designed, they look found. The Level 4 grower begins working with deadwood, jin, which is deadwood created from a branch that has been stripped of its bark and bleached, and shari, which is deadwood on the trunk itself. Deadwood in a bonsai conveys age, survival, and the marks of a life lived in harsh conditions. It is one of the most powerful tools in the craft, and one of the most technically demanding to execute well. At this level, the grower begins collecting material, nursery stock, collected trees from the wild where permitted, or trees grown from seed or cutting specifically for bonsai. They are no longer buying pre-trained trees. They are starting from raw material and building the design from the beginning. Level 5. The craftsman. Level 5 is defined by mastery of the techniques that most practitioners never fully develop. The Level 5 craftsman grafts. Thread grafting, growing a branch through a drilled channel in the trunk to add growth exactly where the design requires it, is a technique that requires precise timing, clean execution, and patience measured in years while the graft fuses. Approach grafting, where a separate young plant is grown against the target tree until the two fuse at the graft point, allows movement and new branching to be added to mature specimens that would otherwise require decades to develop naturally. They carve. Power tools, dremels, die grinders, used with precision to hollow trunks, create complex deadwood texture, and develop the aged, weathered surface that distinguishes a mature bonsai from a shaped nursery tree. The carving reveals the story the craftsman has decided the tree is telling. This tree survived a lightning strike. This one bent over decades in coastal wind. This one grew through rock. They grow material from seed and cutting with the full design in mind from the first year, making decisions at the seedling stage that will determine the character of the tree in 30 years. The patience this requires is not passive. It is active forward vision, making each year's growth serve the decade's design. The Level 5 craftsman has a collection. Not one tree, many trees at different stages, each in a different phase of development, each requiring a different intervention at each season. Managing a collection of this complexity requires systematic record keeping, deep species knowledge, and a calendar organized around the growth rhythms of each individual tree. Level 6. The collector and teacher. Level 6 is where the practice extends beyond the grower's own hands. The Level 6 practitioner exhibits. Bonsai exhibitions, from local club displays to international shows, are the context in which trees are evaluated against each other and against centuries of accumulated aesthetic standards. Presenting a tree in exhibition requires not only the tree itself, but the pot, the stand, the accent plant, and the negative space, the entire composition communicating coherently as a single piece. They teach. The knowledge accumulated over decades of practice has value beyond the individual practitioner, and teaching forces a clarity of understanding that private practice does not demand. Explaining to a student why a specific cut is made at a specific angle, in a specific season, on a specific species, requires an articulated understanding that intuition alone cannot provide. They collect antique pots and seek trees with documented provenance. A tree that can be traced through multiple generations of growers carries a value that a technically superior but undocumented specimen cannot match. The history of care, the hands that have shaped the tree, becomes part of what the tree is. The Level 6 practitioner also begins to understand the philosophical dimension of bonsai, the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, the appreciation of imperfection, impermanence, and incompleteness, not as an imported cultural concept, but as a lived experience of working with living material that will never be finished, never be perfect, and will outlive the hands that shaped it. Level 7, the living master. Level 7 cannot be taught, it can only be recognized. The living master has spent decades in continuous practice. Their relationship with a single tree may span more than the working life of most careers. The tree they are finishing today was begun before their students were born. At this level, the distinction between the craftsman and the art has dissolved. The master does not impose a design on the tree. They find what the tree is trying to become and remove everything that prevents it. The cut that takes a second to make may have been contemplated for a year. The branch that is left when everything around it has been removed was left because the master saw, in that branch, the entire character of the tree. The trees of a living master are not beautiful in the way that a designed object is beautiful. They are beautiful in the way that aged things are beautiful. The beauty of accumulated time, of survival, of the marks left by weather and growth and human hands across generations. There are perhaps a few dozen living masters of this level in the world at any given time. Their trees are measured in centuries, not years. Some of the most significant specimens in existence were styled by hands that died hundreds of years ago and are still being refined today by the hands of those who inherited them. The master knows something that every previous level is still learning. Bonsai is never finished. Every tree is a work in progress that will still be in progress when the hands working on it today are no longer able to hold the scissors. The practice continues without them. This is not a melancholy thought. For those who have reached this level, it is the entire point. Most people watching this video are somewhere between level 1 and level 3. And if you have never owned a bonsai, you are at the beginning of level 1 right now, whether you know it or not. The most important thing to know about starting: the species matters more than anything else in the first year. An outdoor species kept indoors will die regardless of everything else you do correctly. The 3 most reliable first trees for beginners in temperate climates are Japanese maple, beautiful, forgiving, spectacular autumn color; Chinese elm, semi-evergreen, strong, one of the most adaptable bonsai species; juniper, the classic, hardy, responds well to early shaping and wire. All 3 are outdoor trees. They need to be kept outside year-round except during the coldest winter nights. They need full or partial sun. They need bonsai-specific inorganic soil that drains within seconds of watering. They need to be watered daily in summer, less in winter, always by lifting the pot and assessing weight rather than by schedule. The transition from level 1 to level 2 is the transition that saves the tree. The transition from level 2 to level 3 is the transition that begins the art. Every level after that is a deepening of the same practice. The same questions asked with greater refinement, the same patience exercised with greater understanding. Bonsai is not a hobby that rewards impatience. It is not a hobby for people who want to see results in weeks. But it is one of the few creative practices where the work you do today may still be growing, still developing, still improving, long after you are gone. 7 levels, from the first tree to the living master. Most people never get past level 2, not because the practice is too difficult, but because the first tree dies before they understand why. The information that keeps that first tree alive is available. The patience that takes you further is yours to develop. If you are at level 1 or 2 right now and you want to know more, drop your species and your situation in the comments. I read every single one and I will help you figure out exactly what your tree needs. If this was useful, subscribe. Every week we cover a new plant topic in exactly this format, and the library is growing. Whatever level you are at, you will find something here.